up everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Osagie here, and today's video we're going to be talking about how to fix your iPhone when it doesn't want to update. So I'm basically going to be telling you solutions or things you can do when your iPhone doesn't want to update. So the first thing, check if your iPhone is compatible like with the new updates. So like the iOS 15 updates, if your iPhone is not from 7 above, you're not going to get it. So you should know that, okay, I'm not going to get iOS 15, so you should be thinking about getting a new iPhone. That's just it. Number 2, hard reset. So if you're using the iPhone 8 Plus and above, I want you to hold the volume up, press the volume up, press the volume down, then hold your power button. You hold it until your Apple logo shows, then you let go. So you hold it between 25 to 30 seconds, and that's when you have hard reset. After you do that, try it again. If it still doesn't update, number 3, check if you have enough storage space. So if you don't have enough storage space, because software updates can be like 5 to 2 gig around that. Before they used to be smaller, but now they're getting bigger. Okay, so if you don't have enough storage space, you have to create space and update your phone. If that doesn't work, number 4, I want you to go to settings, go to general, like your settings, then check general, then check all your apps, then you see iOS 14.6. let's just use that because that's like the latest updates that you can get, except you're a beta tester, which I get in 15. So that's like the latest updates you can get, and I want you to delete it from there, because if the thing is showing this like couldn't verify updates, because it actually shows a lot for some people. If it's showing couldn't verify updates, and that's actually what it showed for my friend, couldn't show verify updates, then you should delete it, then reinstall it, then it should work. But if that doesn't work, then you should start thinking that, okay, I'm going to try another method. Then that's when I want you to try and install the updates from your laptop. So if you're using a Mac, use Find My Device, that Find My app, use that to update your phone. And if you're using your Mac, it should be running macOS 14.6 and above. Just know that. If you're using your Windows laptop from Windows 10 or later, around there, your Windows 10 laptop using iTunes, you can update it from there. And if that doesn't work by mistake, or because usually this method usually works, but if your phone is broken and it's like, oh, it's not working, next one we're going to do is check if Apple servers are actually working, because sometimes Apple servers used to jam, like it goes down, like especially when they release a new update and everybody is trying to get that new update because everybody's excited, new updates. These servers might jam and you will not be able to update your phone. But if that's not the case, this one, I want you to back up your phone. You can back up to your computer, but the easiest way to back up is actually using iCloud, but restoring it is actually annoying. I get that. I want you to back up your phone and reset. You are going to reset, like factory reset. The phone is going to come like it's new, things like that. Because sometimes when you launch the phone, the thing might just have some software glitches, and that's just the problem. It's not allowing you to update your phone, things like that. So I want you to just reset it, and it should update. And if by chance this method doesn't work, this particular method doesn't work, you are going to try the DFU method. Okay, let me just tell you, warning, before you try this method, please make sure you like, share, subscribe, share this video to your friends, anybody has a problem with this in the phone. Okay, but seriously now, warning, this method is at owner's risk, because it can actually, if your phone has a problem, don't try this method, because your phone is going to spoil. But if you are confident that your phone, nothing's wrong with it, now his phone is in good condition, everything is well, the DFU method you will actually do that method, and it will help you. I'm going to link a video below on how to do that method, then to actually update the phone in the process. But I do not recommend you do this method, because if there's a minor problem that you might not know about, your phone will spoil in the process, like it won't work. I do not advise you to do it, though. Please don't do it. I'm just saying what comes to worst, if that's what you want to do. And last but not least, if you have done all this and it's not updating, contact Apple send them your serial number and things like that, and they'll look into the product and see. So thank you guys for watching, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.